What I will tell you now is about confirm production. In this confirm production, there are list and waiting lists. In this waiting list, the production orders that have just been released will be found in the waiting list of this confirm production. If you want to confirm the production order, you have to click the Create button to create production confirmation. After clicking the Create button, what appears will be the same as the order made in the production order earlier. In this situation, if there is a change in the price of raw for any reason, you can click the Edit button next to this page. And then change the actual price. If there is no change, you can click the Save button above. Now, you will be able to create a production order.